Yo, Charlie, what's up? My name be Fee. This be Personal Cakes. Today, we dey can unbox some New Balance sneakers. I get them yesterday. Yeah, yesterday where I go get them. I just want to show you guys. So this video, the kind of video I dey want make be the video where be cuts day inside edited or something. I just want to make raw video, then vibe plus you just show you the kicks, then talk about them small, then just left. So yeah, so if I don't get time for editing and other thing be long, give me, I want make everything be more organic content. So yeah, so today we can talk about the New Balance 574, where we all know say the 574 be one of the classics, be one of the classic sneakers we did there. If we dey draw top 10 or even top 5, depending on who you be, you go like putting the New Balance 574 because into like it be stylish, the materials, the quality, everything about them they make sense. So New Balance, we all know say they know they joke plus them quality, they know they joke plus the things that they do, them colorway self be special, the same blue everybody they use, New Balance go use them in another way like it go make them our own standout. So yeah, New Balance be that brand. So yeah, as I showed you before, enough of the long talk. This be the box. This be how it did. The NB standard New Balance box. Nothing really special. Wait today. Oh yeah. One thing we say. My slogan. I don't know if you go see it about fearlessly independent. So yeah. In that. Today I can't show the the navy colorway. Yeah, that'll be the colorway I can't show. So the 574, as you know, it be classic sneakers I talked before. The top of the sneaker be suede material, then mesh, that be the main materials they use. But also it gets some other materials as well. So the end logo, it did the sneaker in body be leather. Make it spiral. Yeah, it be leather with the mesh too. Very breathable mesh for the toe box too. That be how it look. The suede for the top, it be quality sick of. If you spy the edge of the suede, you go see how thick it is. I'll say this here. You go see how thick it is, then yeah, that'd be cool. You get some gray detailing for here, then for that side too as well. So yeah, small history about the sneaker. Be say then do 1988, where the time then do they already released the 575, the 576, 577. So then just they want to do something more affordable to the consumers. We then take the 576, the 576 in top. Okay, then take the top with we then put for like some small simple midsole top. But for the midsole inside, we get the end cap cushioning as it did there. So yeah, that be how come the 574 come up. So it be 576 upper on some simple midsole, then also that being. So for the laces, we see this kind of weaved kind of laces. Flat laces, it makes sense. I really like the lace. The tag for the tongue to be this New Balance NB Classic 574. The tongue be mesh, quick one, but the inside of the tongue be nylon, as you see where you get some how they call themselves, get instruction to for the inside of the tag. It did the tongue top, the size tag did the under there, but I know if you count the shoe, I know if you break the shoe to show the tag. So yeah, in that. For the back here too, we get leather for the heel. We get the New Balance branding for top. Try focus, but yeah, in that. With the down here too, then get this plastic thing. Okay, so what they do, we say they hold your leg for inside. So as you they walk, as you they run, or whatever they do, your heel no go they pop up for the side, go they coin, go they mess up the shoe, but it they keep your shoe, it they keep your heel in place. So say go they feel any discomfort. You go if you carry about your days. This be practically everyday shoe. Okay, everyday shoe, but technically it be running shoe. That be how they make come. But we all they like as a lifestyle shoe. So this be for the inside lining, it be some soft cloth material. How the focus they make you see, but it be soft cloth material. It really they make sense. As you see, comfortable, soft for your ankle top. The inside, the insole too. Yeah, so it they okay, get a New Balance branding. It be soft, it be nice, responsive. I can show you. Yeah, so the whole shoe be everyday shoe. So if I be comfortable with that, be exactly how they make them. And they try to make the video short, so if I talk fast, I bet make you pardon me. But yeah, I've been new to this whole YouTube thing, so as we go, then we they learn. So for the outsole, the NB branding day there. This be how the outsole day be rubber. As you see, traction be very good. Yeah, traction be very good. This no be the shoe you would like wear for rain inside, because as you know, suede, then water no they go, it go spoil them. Also sick of the toe box be mesh, where it be very breathable, like air they come through more. If water go top, it go sink inside, where it go make your legs feel uncomfortable. So you no go like wear this for rain inside. I don't know about discoloration, so I don't know about how the suede they discolor, how the navy go they move colors if like water pour top. But it looks like I did trust New Balance until it happened. So for now, it looks solid, it looks good. So anything else I did miss? Anything else I miss? I'm not sure. Yeah, so you go like try this for store or wherever you buy from before you buy them, because sometimes the sizing be some way depending on the kind of leg you get. So this be the New Balance 574 Navy Classic from the 1988. So guys, thanks. Say you watch this video to this point. I really appreciate. I go like make you subscribe, they make you subscribe, then also make you leave some comments for the comment section side and see, make we all see how you go like wear them. First of all, if you go fee cop this, if it be your style, then if that be yes, how you go like style them. So all day or there, I beg make you subscribe as I talked before. Then I will see you for the next video inside.